It's official, right? The IRS announced that on January 24th of 2022, we will be able to start filing tax returns. This is a perfect time to start getting ready for your taxes. So this is what I'm going to talk about in this video, everything you're going to need for yourself or your tax professional if you will be handing that task off to somebody else. Before I get started, let me introduce myself. My name is Jeanette Andrada. I help private practice owners increase profit margins using tax and accounting strategies. If you are DIYing your taxes, your bookkeeping, make sure to look into my membership group where we do live Q&A sessions on tax and accounting related matters relevant to private practice. In addition, in my link down below, you're going to find some freebies, so make sure to check those out to help make your tax season as seamless as possible. If you're enjoying my content, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps me get my content out there to other business owners that could find this information very helpful to them. Let's go ahead and get right into the video. Okay, let's get comfortable. The very first thing is make sure you have your profit and loss. This is where your bookkeeping comes into play. I know that bookkeeping doesn't feel important throughout the year. It doesn't seem like such an urgency. It's one of those things that you feel like you could hold off till the end of the year. However, doing so throughout the year is going to save you so much stress and so much overwhelm during the tax season, not to mention that it helps you avoid missing any important business tax deductions. As a tip, I recommend having a process in place for your bookkeeping. If you haven't already done so, please make sure to download my business deduction and bookkeeping checklist that I have. It's absolutely free. It gives you a guideline on what could be deducted, as well as giving you a checklist so you can make sure you're doing all your bookkeeping correctly throughout the year. Now, if this is something that you don't want to do, then go ahead and outsource it. There's a lot of tax professionals that are able to help you with this part of the process. It's totally optional. However, some people, for example, come work with me because they don't want to deal with this side of the business, which is perfectly fine. As long as it gets done, that's what's important. This is going to help tremendously. The next thing is we want to make sure we're preparing for the home office deduction. It's important to note that the home office deduction is going to be deducted on your Schedule C if you're self-employed. What that means is that we have two options of deducting home office expenses. We have the actual expense, or we have a standard rate. I recommend having your tax professional or for yourself to do both, so that way you make sure you get the highest tax deduction possible. When you are preparing for the home office deduction, make sure you are gathering expenses related to your home office. This could be rent that you pay for your home, or it could be taxes that were paid on your home, or mortgage interest that was paid on your home. This could also be utilities. So you pay for electricity, right, for your home. Well, you use that electricity for your home office, at least a portion of it. The same thing is true for your internet. Also, make sure to gather the square footage of your home. This number is going to help you identify how much you could write off on your tax return. Have that prepared for your tax professional or for yourself if you decide to do it on your own. Lastly, sort through all your personal expenses. As a business owner, we know things get a little bit crazy sometimes, and we might be in a situation where we cannot use our business money, so we use our personal money to pay for a business expense. So make sure all of that is being accounted for, so you are getting all the write-offs that you are eligible for your business. That is it today. Make sure to follow all of these guidelines in order to make your tax season a little bit better, and make sure that you're getting all your tax write-offs possible. I have my daughter here because she is going to, why are you here?
And I want you to say good morning.
Oh, I have my daughter here because she wanted to say good morning to me.
My name's Camila.
And her name is Camila. All right, guys, so thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next Friday.